Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Insa nisato chia butokire chia bono botuko mwancho murigeria no botuko bwe 24 somo tinyo mutangani mwaka bwechiri bubere 25 nemo karibu sana nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseri bagaria bakombo atasekuru ase studio ya kabero botuko bwa rero chiko ene kyamaro gine chibicha ngochara senchirerengia tokosabiro karanso ikobe 90 kurbono kuika omweri asenge nchemesa yama yakuru ensoko chinsa isato achakire bono. Karibu sana mwanchomo rigario botuko bwa lero tugochaka no roboti buno mo senator bwe county ya Nyamira mheshimiwa Okongo Mogeni niganyare kuba kagwe sokia na kugendera komochia emeroberio yegandate kone kiwase serikali ya county ya Nyamira ukwana kurwa sensemo ye bunge ya West Mugiranga se county yo nigo muske Okongo amochire ugotirani kwa kwemeroberio yokubwatirana higati yekegancha kya World Bank amone serikali ya county ya Nyamira sogwikirania amagendro au kubwatikana no bukurumi obwa negativwe ase chibese cyanya tukuba chikubwato kwa nekeganchekyo
nkubwate program twarwandrete n'aba senator ekuruko World Bank HSA County ya Nyamira ekonya mangana a climate change nenjere ko tokonya ngeringa abanyina mokonya gutachinko iliyo kirianya gutira gukigora kibese kitomire goche county kibagorere kigashe kikiacha kikoro kumeko mwete meko mubagerwe abanyina goete county ngi wono ekero World Bank yaje gutara Nyamira geko inde county yake byo mugabana ngatuira ngo toro kigurubu cy'abanyina bari baheru kimeko gaba no batenga document zirikoreka kibesa kitomire ese ebijana bayito bakonywe gukore byasara ubutaka boke mwaye wemetana y'ekinchoke elindo ubutaka wae mwale tarukikula cyombe cyene cyo gukimbego kingiya elinde ubutaka mbwe wona kibese kibine cyigete county ya Nyamira abantu bawa abantu be ministry ko ministry yetendete ya lands, public works, housing and urban development batebire ngabese cyo cyasirire njiri kororekana ese kusabangira mwairu bone binde mwata waje mwairu na korere kinawo mwabiru wande kake abantu baminto koko kubori kibase cyakira ngaiki akire uki mbabengo boje egendo totagete ubumaene umanyekane n'ekibazo kikora World Bank kigocha kikonye umo Nyamira ekina kiyoka nayo gosa
Mancho murgaria togoska bosio totegaritase omoyigo yoyo nigo mo senator yuboigo harokandre komochia serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nsiobora ibwayo muraibwense William Ruto asokoria gutumika chinguru kubagosereria bari babwate ebirengererio bireto bauti no bakoreri bwa serikali yo ane mono hasain asakwanire egekorekia bwango gagyo kubekwa byara ekyomo jumbe bwense mo yebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Mheshimiwa Anthony Kibagendi chinga kicho ni gaboria bananchi bwesokia sobonge na kubwata chikura iligo chikomusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i
nani kumuhota nyoraiga gusabet ikegera ondogwesho korekana ngakuga Fred Matiang'i agokorerwe bitinebine baso nyonga ngwakwa na mangana Kibageni oroche umuchumbo Kitutu South Kitutu Chache South Anthony Kibageni akubwatu Nairobi bune terrorist yani street ya tenete Nairobi kirali sita kirali kurusa isato kisubaru isato sito mire ko bwa to mojumbe yani go to bwa ba mo ndwe ko bwa ti makiyaji igagoja gukora ibintu bitandukanye oroje nko mu bwati ko Nairobi n'ekisukali ekibaikanje bandiba yarongoja bakakisi bamubekera polisi kisi andi bayikora nongoja bakaba mu kabiro kinyamira ingo ikanyamira urusi unyamira likeroka mami ndo gaji gombuya sasa bayabo tukuna ringo ikakeroka omanye ko maina ngamambia okowoja kumuira tumuiwelele kina kisi ayochoje mambia to kisi ando likibagenda nawo kare agocha kutoka ingo boka naende mambi naenda chikonya wada akabaga ata iyo musikari tenga tumero komo mugeni sibi abantu abiri gojinaru wata ito chikonya wada report yoda bansi yekere cha yarama tuko 21 nganu uchunguzi bagendere kuna nyasakaro muya bira ipale kabengia tokatache gali ne chinguru ngaikanaro ngacha kumurwanirira umushimi uyu akagwato na alisika nyasakali umuya moro aseni nje bitina lakini nje kwa sababu marne nyasaya na ne bukunga taberenga marne nyasaya na iro mugetira dia kamoji moro chinya makiagi unaso ete tia makiagi chibiri opinion policy ya mukire igoro wana bako minyoka na William Ruto wetani baka karozi wana gakarigetie ese William Ruto umondo bweka bwogoire matia mo president are echireni akainde uruzambia no mwate Adventista mwezi dio mko jeno ya nyasaye ngo konya 2027 mo Adventista aikara nso president basa wamuri nyasaye konya asante
Togoso ase chisemi mwanchu murigereria aborokia abanene bechisukuru okuru asorongorwa gusi hanemo ne ichirense yekanisa ya PAG nigo bomera naso gatagati bumucho songo ase county ya Kisii eriko kwandra emeroberio egendrete kwaniki wase chisukuru chiabo aya ni gagocha maiga yegati ya borokia abo abanene konyara ko bagwetera chinga kichinkongu ase liberari itindi kurwa saba ibori na boigo egati ya borokiwa asokwenekia amachibu atari amaya asamatema KCSE omwako etasi baruro kuboria ochi ase wizara yechisemi kwenekia abuna ngo esoena nieregati na kubakonya kubagerera banyoro bwene bwabo na bego chinga kichinyororokero bagwikira nemeroberio ya base chisukuru.
Examinations and other church activities within our sponsored schools. Some persons wanting to appear like they are fighting for education, but anyhow trying to tarnish our schools in the manner that they didn't perform very well in the examinations. Play your politics somewhere where your politics will be valid. Otherwise, at school and in educational matters, please keep off. This education has enough stakes to deal with issues in a school. We have our county director of education, sub-county directors are there, the sponsors are there.
What I can advise on education, our parents, even if the responsibility is on the government, let us as parents, support education. We were given everything, including admission, including everything. Then you request for transport to take your daughter, your son, to another school. Where are we taking the nation?
These are our MPs. If there is money that can be set aside for purpose of supporting school development and also the children in school, we request that they do so. In fact, we know that our politicians are able and they have the goodwill, they can support where possible.
Toskabosio mwancho murigeria mwaziri otenete wizara yechisemi Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba nigo aenekire egetambokero gia serikali wetera se wizara ya kiabekire kwenekia borokiwa bonsi abo barigete kogenderia chisemi chiabo na goso ase grade ya 10 ngoso abare ebirango biemia igoro yemia haniga gocha maiga yomuraibwense kurogochika buna borokiwa abo banyare ko babagoso ase chisukuru nigo boigo akwanire getambokero wizara ya yaira yokobwato kachibesa ase chinga kichia bwango kwenekia buna kero aborokiwa na aborokia baraje kwerendera chisemi ase chisukuru chibesa chionchi chikobakonya kwegenderia ase merubirio yabo ya credit.
It is indeed true that some of the schools have not had any students applying to them. So as a ministry, we are going to look at the exit data that we are going to receive after today so that we can be able to tell which schools have received which numbers and which other schools have not received any particular students in order for us to be able to optimize and rationalize the resources that we have in the ministry in order for redistribution of those resources to ensure that the schools that have students have the adequate facilities to enable those students undertake their programs in an environment that is education friendly. We are doing a reform in the education sector, and these particular challenges and issues that have come at the right time so that we can be able to resolve them. Yesterday, through the presidential directive, we directed that all the principals in the country admit the students who had hitherto not joined school, whether they had school uniforms or there's fees outstanding. And we directed that the sub-county directors and our officers will collect the data of those students who have then joined in order for us to make a decision on how to handle that space going forward. This was a new placement system that we are using, and we anticipated these challenges. By yesterday morning, before that particular directive was given, we had placed a total of 92% of our students. So the 8% are the ones that had these challenges, and we're going to be able to resolve it. I urge the parents not to worry. The government has taken the duty to ensure that all our students are in school, and we've done 100%, or we're going to do 100% transition by today, and we'll make the right decisions based on the data that we'll get. So in a nutshell, I'm only saying that the government is committed to ensure that no child is left behind because of their condition in terms of availability of resources or issues relating to uniforms. Those are the programs that we are dealing with as a ministry and as a government. In terms of capitation, you very well know that this term, for the first time since the beginning of capitation, capitation was released to schools 2-3 days before the schools opened, and these principals here can confirm that fact. We released 44 billion shillings of capitation on the 2nd of this month when schools were opening on 5th. In terms of textbooks, as of yesterday, grade 10 textbooks, 50% of them had been distributed, and we intend to ensure that the balance is done within the next 2 weeks by the 31st of this month.
Totegeta sengana ichiseme mwanchu murigeria abarukiwa bechi college na Bego University kurwa sensemo ye bungi abo machoge chache county ya Kisii nigo bayesokire na kolera omubaramoke babarukiwa banyorere chibasari cyo kwegendera na ichiseme cyabo asomo barumunge batigaire bataranyora obokonyi nigo bono barure okoborie gochase gati yabarai na serikali goterase wizara ichisemi kobeke meroberio yokobenyora na barabu abo batigaire kwene kwegendera bare na ichiseme cyabo.
So here today are comrades from Bomachoge Church, drawn from various institutions. We have gathered here to address the CDF office of Bomachoge Church. So in respectful and constructive manner, the events that took place at Mogi grounds, parents were invited to collect bursary forms, yet many were made to wait for long hours only for the forms to arrive in limited numbers. Unfortunately, this led to confusion, frustration, and unnecessary tension among parents. We acknowledge that bursary programs are designed to support education and ease the burden of families. However, the manner in which this exercise was conducted fell short of expectations of the community and did not reflect the dignity owed to the parents. In this regard, we respectfully call upon the CDF office of Bomachoge Church, together with the area member of parliament and the entire CDF management, to consider adopting modern electronic system for bursary application and allocation. Many constituencies have successfully embraced online platforms where bursary forms are applied for or downloaded, greatly improving efficiency and fairness. An electronic system would help promote equitable distribution, enhance transparency and accountability, and reduce opportunities for mismanagement of bursary funds. Most importantly, it would save time and prevent a recurrence of such unfortunate incidents. Our intention today is not to assign blame, but to encourage dialogue, improvement, and collaboration for the benefit of our community. We believe that with the right systems in place, future bursary exercises can be conducted smoothly and with respect for all.
Mimi kama mwanafunzi binafsi, kuna bursaries ambazo zimetolewa na CDF ambayo inafaa kutusaidia sisi kama wanafunzi. Tumepata kwamba hata ile picha tuliona pale ya wazazi kuwa wanasukumwa kwa sababu ya bursaries kuja katika kiwango ambacho ni chache sana. Tafadhali, kwa heshima ambayo ulichaguliwa na wazazi wetu ambao unapaswa kuwasaidia kwa hizi bursaries, achilia hizi bursaries situsaidie sisi kama wanafunzi na ambao wanaenda, hata unapata kuna wanafunzi hawajaingia mashule ya grade 10 wanahitaji hizi bursaries ambao wanatoka katika familia maskini ziwasaidie katika masomo yao.
Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, tafadhali waachilie hizo bursaries ili ziweze kutusaidia. Semester imeanza na tunahitaji hiyo malipo ndio tuendelee na masomo yetu. Tusipolipa hatuendelee na semester. So Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, zenye ulituma hao watu wako akitukufurahisha kabisa juu ya wasasi wetu huko venye walisukumana. That was felt long. So my humble request is that Mheshimiwa waachilie hizo bursaries ili siweze kutusaidia.
This action yenye ilikuwa huko, Mheshimiwa anafaa kuambiwa, ama wale watu wake wenye wanapeana bursary waambie waache kuchukua wazazi wenye walichukua, so that aeke watu wengine wenye wanapeana bursary vizuri. Alafu hizo bursary make sure zimefikia wanafunzi wote, kwa sababu kama mimi hapa sijalipa fee, niko na fee arrears mingi yanafaa kulipa, na hiyo bursary ingekuwa inanisaidia. So we condemn this action. Mheshimiwa Alpha Miluka, peana bursary.
Tukutikana na chisemi mwanchu muri ya tokoso wa sobo chenu bono maobisomo nase wizara ya wachenu Mheshimiwa Muthoni niganyare ko bakagwesokia na gukwandra ukugania gukororo kwa basubati na bana banyaruka kwenekia unango ikabare ase chinyagitari na korengwa genkyo asoboroire bwa cervical cancer bu atebiringa nigo keroboringo chinga kichya mapema nigo bokwenekia kurwarirwa na umuntu bwena sebono hanyare ko bagakuru kubuya konde kwenekia abana inchi ase chinsemo au kwirike barasobonge nsemo robero bokubwato ko bokonyi ubo bwene kurwa serikali osha.
Cervical cancer is affecting many women in different ways, and one of it being the social and economic concern, because when it affects women in their most productive years, then the productivity, whether it is in regards to children or economy, it goes down. And again, many patients are mothers and caregivers. Many patients are women who have children who are going to school. Many patients are women who are at their early age of production. They have husbands. Therefore, it really impacts on families and the livelihoods of ourselves. Kenya is very committed to the global goal of eliminating cervical cancer as a public health problem. And as I have highlighted before, 90% of HPV vaccination to our young girls who are below 14 years, screening, voluntary screening for our women between the ages of 25 and 49 years, and that takes 70% of that. If we are able to screen them, no woman should die. No woman should die out of a preventable disease. No woman should die when we can vaccinate the girls early. No woman should die when the disease is treatable. It can be prevented, it can be detected early, and it can be treated. At the moment, SHA has a package of 800,000 for treatment of cancer, and that should be a motivation that if you are sick, then you must be treated. HPV vaccination protects girls early, and HPV vaccine prevents cervical cancer and is very safe and effective. There has been a lot of talk here and there and a lot of hullabaloo around it. But I want to I want to confirm to the members of public that HPV vaccination is very, very safe. As long as it is coming from the Ministry of Health, then that is a safe vaccination.
Mwanchumo rigareria abo no tukwiro mutumoko mutangani igasemesa yama yakuru ensoko chinsa isato togoso ase ensemo ya kabere studio tosio mechiduka ketoskare perananda se kagitere getambe togandra gwesemya mange.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Sembro Gomingo Magara Minto mwesi mwenye kitinga simwapeta Muganda Gorgeria Ensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi Ensoko ya kusema tamakano
Abanda abange bakure because wesibole mochiko komoita
what a right yokubaboling anki bakonelyo bolemo
paka abandi bakuriga n'imyoro no ikiri nyumba umuntu nsechindo ndoko koro konya okorre pita bwati gende bweita
amakweli yo gwicanya chisege okwego kyo konge no bolebi no kutumia malyogo yo gutindia
warenge kenywe kya
chinko machintindi kubwatekane mebasokano y'ekibara wetrase chipigipigi ogotama na kubura kuro chinka chiabo asemya kemenge
bandigireza abana bagwakagenda bakabona itana goza bakabana bakababanta bana
amuno butakobwere negative bikorwa bigendere tukubwatrenia abasai bari bakonya marimo ase chinsemo ao imeyorogomo wagusi
gakoni litanga jibeze iki ali akiere eliya kabere na che naenda arenga nari gusukia keiga osebese nenkonye kwanyora naende oniri eliya kabere wone kera oniri obolimo lero muna marima akeire kwanyora obolimo bwakorireki bwaerire ne kero obolimo bwaerire bogimba bono mbo yesari omonto ogenda nebisima rende tokunyete oigore gesima osoima
ine ningi kusikiagarire bikoro bunebi kogenderera kuiremeri umurike ito bobo nengia Daniel Omwaga nega iremeri gotukuria asobweme na gwasyo kinganeye teneni
buri abantu bari grounding aki ine obole moboiga mbuota mangana dons kugaraiga na bagota binga yayo boiga mbuota bina abantu barwanire mu kiyoga abantu bayitanire
tomo chago sonche getesini kiao kiabene Nensoko TV ime yomurobelyo bomugondo bwamakweli bwerere maiso marore no gwichanire bikorwebi Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa ao bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo na boigo amarandia imegata seni Nensoko TV tuchikumirana kera ritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia munguru na boigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Nensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari tangoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwenda university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwarigo kwanya oroyonde orenge kwenda kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Better Me twabarwari erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochasa obugima obubi.
Christmas number 0706380913. Better Me Rehabilitation Center lichi buryo gukora kingatare icyobutindo. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanchumurigeria karibu sana na ndembe ya mwana soko gandra gusangana intu ya sensemiga ya kabere ya maiya kurwa ensoko chinsa isa tutogo swabono ase oroboturu kubwatakana na siasa higati ya barai kurwa sorongoro Western Kenya niko baeso kirena korokana komochia obarai bororo wabono ase kiama gia ODM aso gotabeka omokia bukubeka emeroberio yogo keani liberera abaigo engusanano hiyo gandrete koenekiwa ase kiamekyo.
Sisi tuko katika chama cha ODM, mimi ndio chama cha ODM. Lakini heshima inatuudhi ya kwamba party leader wetu amekaa, Oparanya anatusiwa. Chair lady Mama Class Iswanga amekaa, Oparanya anafanya nini? Na wanacheka meno. Tunawaambia kwamba siku nyingine mkurudi hapa kuja kutusi Oparanya, ile mbio mtaenda hamtaangalia nyuma tena.
Tumekuwa kwa chama ya ODM kwa muda mrefu. Sisi tumepigia Raila Amolo Odinga kura kwa muda mrefu. Uwezi kuja mkutano kama huu utangaze Nabii na Buyera, alafu ruke uende hapo Kakamega utangaze Barasa. Unafanya nani mjinga wewe? Hiyo isiposuluhishwa saa hii kitaeleweka.
Mambo ya pesa imeharibu viongozi. Viongozi anaenda hapa anaongea jambo lingine, akisoka hapa kwa sababu amepewa pesa, kichwa imechanganyika. Anaongea mengine kwa sababu ya pesa. Haya mambo ambayo naona saa hii si kuona wakati wa marehemu Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila Amolo Odinga alikuwa mtu wa msimamo. Akisema jambo ni hilo, hata kipata anataka kubadilisha paka console. Asema nilikuwa nimesema hivi lakini nimeona hivi kwa sababu ya hii.
Mwaziri otendrete chinguru chomoro Westima Mheshimiwa Opiyo Wandayi nigo aruro kuboria guchia sigatia barai abega bananchi kurwa sensemo ya Ukambani koenekya bunango cha baramo kubeka emeroberio yogosira serikali ya Ororo ya Kenya Kwanza ensi oburaibu ayo muraibu ensi William Ruto koenekya bachugikirania emeroberio yobokora lyobuya nabega magendra se chinsemo chonsi.
Kumbuka mimi kabla niwe waziri nilikuwa bunge. Na mimi nilikuwa kiongozi wa Azimio kule bungeni. Huyu Mwaleka alikuwa mwanachama wangu kule bungeni. Lakini kwa juhudi za Mheshimiwa Rais na hayati Baba Raila Amolo Odinga na viongozi wengine wakaamua ya kwamba lazima tuje pamoja, tufanye kazi pamoja ili nchi isonge mbele. Na katika hiyo safari lazima kila mtu ajumuishwe. Mimi na hakika hapa mbele pia tutafanya kazi pamoja na viongozi wote, Mheshimiwa Kalonzo akiwa mmoja wao, ili tusonge mbele tukiwa kitu kimoja.
Rigaria togo korera niko bondo murai wiki amakia Roots Party Mheshimiwa George wa Chakoya aisokire na gukwandra hokogania gukororo gukwenekia buna ababwatani be sector y'uburendiane muno abasigari nkorigerigo bare asenchirerengia niga mwakiro murai bwense William Ruto mbiamono hasokobeka emeroberio yokobenyora asobokoreri ebwabo nigo baiga kwanire heganga yae nekirenga yogochia koria ekerogo kyoborai bwense asobachori bonne bori bosio makabwechirubere 2022.
My brother Patrick Tito during this painful moment.
Kwa miaba chairman wetu Bwana Mwalia angeweza kufika, lakini kwa vile kijana yake ni mtu wa muhimu, na ninaomba Mungu hivi karibuni, kama Mungu anaangalia hapo tu, labda tutakuwa sijui kama mmenisikia, mmesikia ama mjasikia, na hiyo sauti Mungu aisikie, ndio mahali mama atajua kwamba Wajakoya alitoka Mumias akaja hapa akakutana na ndugu yake Masengeli na akakuta wale wakubwa wa polisi including mama Olo Aringo. Huyo mama alikuwa mkubwa wangu, hebu simama tu. Alistaafu akiwa senior assistant commissioner of police. Na wale wote ambao walikuwa wakubwa wangu ambao wamestaafu wako hapa. Tunajua. I think I was a good product. Ndio wote ya police, from constable to inspector to an OCS, yote, it shaped my thinking. It made me to be who I am. And huyu mama ni mama yangu because amezaa mtu yetu. Ndio kwa maana I protect the police wherever they are. Najua wengi wenu mnaangalia askari tu. Mnaangalia askari wakati mko na makosa ndio mnaenda mahali huko. A police officer should be nurtured, treasured, recognized, and accepted by society. And that's what I would like to thank His Excellency the President for taking care of our police. And I would like him to take more care for our police service, because they do a good job and they make us be who we are today.
Mancho murigeria no tugikia omwerio hase emesa ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isato mbemona soko sangana intui ase ritukeriga abegongire ribagamba kirembya mona bariki baito bamangana baya sangiria senchera ere engia hase ribaga ya Brian Chaka na Felicitas Kabendi kule studio ya Kabere bankonya kwenekia murugine chibichango chara senchera engia nche nkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi twaro tukobya na wego gendra kwego kenemero bile gendra sembeo yensoko TV nyasaika wanchanande tumira na sembeo.